Greetings, mathematicians! In this short video, you'll learn about Brainingcamp TwoColor Counters. Once logged in, click on the TwoColor Counter Manipulative. In the toolkit on the left, you'll find the TwoColor Counters. The standard yellow and red counters will appear in the Manipulatives toolkit. TwoColor counters are great for counting, graphing, creating patterns, modeling equations, and more. Once you add counters to the workspace, you can select them to reveal a menu of options. For example, turn off their fill, or invert the color. By group selecting objects, you can move them together and place them where you would like on a workspace. You can add a 10 frame to the workspace by clicking the toolkit icon and then selecting the 10 frame option and dragging the tool where you would like it on the screen. Additionally, you can fill a 10 frame by selecting counters to add or by placing them one by one. Add another 10 frame to the workspace. By selecting the 10 frame, there are options to flip, copy, lock, or delete. Add the counters to the 10 frame by dragging the first one in, and then rapidly adding the rest by clicking. Access the Settings menu to change the color of the TwoColor counters and turn on and off the workspace labels. Use the Workspace button to access the integer chip work mat. The yellow chips represent positive numbers, and the red chips represent negative numbers. The gray overlapping chips represent a zero pair. A zero pair is made when opposite quantities combine to make zero. Undo the zero pair by group selecting and choosing Break from the options. There is also a part-part whole workspace. This workspace provides a part-part whole mat. You can add a problem to the screen by adding text. Change the font size, style, alignment, and color from the text menu. Now you can use the mat to help solve. Move the counters to the whole section on the mat to show the total. Turn the labels on and off by clicking on the mat and toggling the label. It's that easy. Finally, don't forget to check out the toolkit and the settings menu for tools and settings that can be used with TwoColor counters in fun and interesting ways. Now you're ready to use Brainingcamp TwoColor counters. If you want more practice with the general interface, we encourage you to watch the Getting Started with Brainingcamp tutorial video. Remember, each manipulative has its own tutorial video with details specific to each. Let us know if you have any questions.